to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and if you are not, what's up? You already know the deal. Anyways, right now, y'all, it's like 10 o'clock, and I'm tired. My wig's not even laid. I just want to take some pictures. So yeah, let's fix that, Biddy. Okay. Anyways, I just want to come on here and say thank y'all so much for 100 subscribers. That makes my heart just so cheery and happy. Thank y'all so much. And this lighting, y'all, I look super light, but I promise I'm literally not this light, and my makeup isn't this light either. It's just that it's nighttime, so there's no light coming in from anywhere else, so I just got this light. So anyway, but thank y'all so much for 100 subscribers. Don't forget to always share my videos, keep subscribing, do all of that, please. It means the world to me. I'm just really thankful. Thank y'all so much. So I'm actually going to do an eyebrow tutorial today. These are the eyebrows that I did in my tutorial coming up. So yeah, without further ado, if you would like to see how I got my eyebrows like this and a simple just eyebrow routine that I do every day, just keep watching. Hey y'all, so right now I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with my spoolie just to comb them out, make sure that there's no flyaway hairs in the way, and I cleaned them up a couple days ago so that they look amazing to me. Next one, I'm gonna go with my Fit Me powder, just because there's sometimes oil and extra moisturizer, and I don't want my eyebrow pencil to be smudging as I put it on, so I just do that. And then I'm gonna go in with my other brush and just clean that all off, just so it's just not extra powder. Then go back in with my spoolie and just comb them back out. And now I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild pencil, and first I fill it in and then I start lining. So first I just go ahead and fill it in, make sure that there's some every time, y'all, the garage, oh my goodness. But anyway, yeah, so I just fill them in, making sure that they match my actual eyebrow, not overlining, just trying to do it perfect. Then I get to the front and fill the front end, but not so much. I just, lightly take my pencil. Now I'm using my spoolie just to, I guess, clean everything out. I really don't know how to say it, but and I'm going to do the exact same to my other eyebrow. Okay, so now going in with my e.l.f. concealer. This is the Camo Concealer in medium beige. I'm just going to take that and put that underneath my eye. Just real quick and simple. Then using any kind of flat brush, I'm just going to line them and just make sure that they're cut crisp, perfect to my liking. And just add extra concealer if need be, and just, go in with it. And honestly, the amount of concealer is up to you. I just use a lot of concealer because that's just my preference. But if you can achieve this look with just using, a minimum amount of concealer, perfect. Do you, girl, do you? Now going in with my flat brush, I like to go in between my eyebrows just so they can blend and look the same a little bit. So yeah, that's just a little tip I do. Okay, so now I'm just going to take my beauty blender, and sorry that it's so dirty, but I wear makeup all the time, so my bad. But I'm just going to go ahead and blend till I'm satisfied, basically, until they look good. And now I'm going to go on the top with my foundation. I use foundation to outline the rest of my eyebrow, just so it doesn't look light on the top. You want it to look not as natural as possible, but you know, kind of natural, not so crazy. So therefore I use foundation just so it can blend in with the rest of my makeup, so it can just look like I did the bottom of my eye. Oh no, well yeah, it's late y'all, but yeah. So next is a very, very important part. I'm going to blend in between my eyebrows just so they can look seamless. You can use your finger or a beauty blender, it doesn't matter. And yeah, basically this is the final look. If y'all like this, please like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what y'all think. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.